Startups need to be design-led in order to build for their customers. My name is Candice Warnasuriya. I'm a product design lead at 54 Collective. From a design perspective, I come in and work with businesses at any stage of their growth path. It can be like a very early stage where that business is still trying to figure out what their value proposition is, all the way to like the more like end part of your journey where you're kind of like iterating your product, speaking to customers, trying to gain retention, also working with startups to basically design and build out a product. So a big part of design is getting to know our customers intimately so that we know who we're building for and designing for. And we often go on the ground. We'll go to like Kenya, we'll go to Lagos, and we'll work with our startups, interviewing their customers like on the ground, just so that we can understand like what are their actual needs, what are the problems, and have that context that's very regional specific to try and solve the problems that they have. So traveling and being on the ground is a really big thing for us, and being close to our founders and their products. Our startups need to be design-led in order to build for their customers. And that's just a mindset. It's thinking about serving your customer first, not necessarily building something beautiful. And that skill set can be entrenched into anyone. It's more of a culture. It doesn't need a designer to do that. So something that I'm really passionate about is getting our startups and our founders and their teams to think about their customers in that way and being design-led from that perspective. Is getting more designers into this industry, like working with startups. I think there's a lot of talent out there, especially in Africa. And the startup world might seem a bit like risky, but it's so rewarding. I think design only has meaning when it fulfills a purpose. And I think getting more designers into the system, supporting startups will be like a huge leap forward in terms of building products that people love to use. So there's so many untapped markets. There's so much potential for growth and positive impact. It's Pan-African, right? We're Pan-African. And it's about making progress across Africa, not just in one region. It's about transcending those regional boundaries and really having an impact across the continent. Is to embrace failure. I know it's scary, but we'll only learn when we fail fast. And it's just part of the process. Fail fast to become successful. Hi, my name's Candice. I'm a product design lead at 54 Collective. Come create with us.